Ah, oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Hey, people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using only one account of My Lead Gen Secrets Day 52. Now, the reason why we only using one account, we want to try to emulate what people would make when they first start, when they first get into it. It's better to have multiple accounts, but one account just to show the type of numbers you can get. Alright, so anyway, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Links in the description you want to follow along, and let's get to it. Okay, so the reason why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business is two reasons, essentially. The first is that it is a funnel builder that is very sleek, very new, and very easy to use, so on and so forth. Very easy to use with no limitations at all for just $25 a month. That's not all you get, but that's the main feature of what you get, $25 a month, guys. And it's a very well built system. Now, anybody with any marketing experience online would tell you that you need a funnel. You need a funnel no matter what it is you want to promote or whatever. You need to build some kind of funnel to get, to catch your leads and promote the product. So that's the main reason there. And I believe the most popular funnel builder out right now is ClickFunnels. That's the one everybody's using. And it's how much is it? It's $97 per month, which is insanity to me. And there's a ton of limitations, like how many people can look at your page before they shut it down that month. And you have to pay the $97 to get more people that can look at your page. So it's a limited amount of people that can see your page. Not join it, see it. Now join it makes sense, contacts, but just to join it, that's crazy. And to get rid of those limitations, you need to pay $300 per month. It's quite a lot of money. Okay, so anyway, the second reason in which I like to promote the $25 all-in-one digital business, and I think the reason most people would like to promote it is because of its affiliate system, which is 80% recurring commissions. That is unheard of, guys. Completely unheard of. The only place I heard something like 80% recurring commissions is OnlyFans. Nothing else even comes close. Nothing else even comes close, guys. I think and it's recurring, so you get paid every month, which slowly builds up. I got a lot of recurring things going on here now at this point, and I gotta keep them separated from actual sales. It's getting kind of, I forget sometimes I might forget to do that, but yeah. And you can see that the point is I'm building up a income, and once I get to a certain point where it pays all my bills and everything, but I don't have to do nothing else, guys. Like for the last 3 months, I made $1,600 up there, right? And in this last week alone, I made $260. Think about that. That's crazy. All right, guys. So let's get to it here. We're gonna see what I recommend. It looks like we did get a sale yesterday, but let's refresh it to make sure. Okay, did we get a sale yesterday? Turns out we did get a sale yesterday, guys.
Nice.
That is so nice, man. We've been doing pretty well in this last week, to be honest. But a lot of these are recurring, but we still got sales. This Thursday, we got a sale. I think we got, was it 1 or 2 sales yesterday? I mean Friday, and we got a sale yesterday. That's pretty insane. I can't show the information of the links because YouTube, well, mainly because they're private links, and private email addresses, and YouTube is kind of cracking down on that a little bit lately. I've been noticing some people been losing, they've been getting video strike by showing emails. So I can't show you the emails or anything like that. But anyway, let's refresh. Did I refresh it, guys? I can't remember. Oh my goodness. Well, I'm gonna do it again just in case. Anyway, what I want to speak on, make sure people refresh the page when they show you their results, because it's very easy to change all of these stats around to show fake results. So if they don't refresh the page like I did there, then don't believe this page. All right, so guys, let's keep it moving here. We're gonna go to My Lead Gen Secrets. We logged in here. We're gonna click on all the leads, and we're just gonna send the next email on the list here. It gets pretty simple once you got a ton of emails in here. You just pick one and go. I think this is the one we just sent, so we're gonna go with this. And we're gonna hit perfect timing. You can copy if you want to, just pause it. You know, pause the video at certain points so you can copy everything, you know what I mean? And there you go. That's all it takes, guys. I got a picture here. You don't need a signature right here. You want to put your link? I'm putting my link there, my SoundCloud link. Now this is the link you want to use, guys. You want to go here. You want to use this link here. It's just the link, the all-in-one $25 business for you. So you just copy this link and put it in there, guys. That's all it takes. And that's what we're gonna do as well. And you can put sincerely your name. You don't have to have a picture of yourself, you don't want to. I just do it because I got one. That's all there is to it, guys. Make sure to preview, make sure the link works. I know this works because I already sent this email before. But yeah, make sure the link works and everything, and then send it off. Perfect timing. What perfect timing does, send an email around the time people check their emails. And that's about all there is to it, guys. Links in the description, you know, for everything here, the $25 all-in-one business and My Lead Gen Secrets. If you want to follow, do the same thing, try to make some money, then you can do the same thing as well. And make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.